Hey, to use Apple Music on your PS5 Slim, all you have to do is just to switch to the media. So click on the R1 on your controller, then go to the All Apps, and now scroll down on the video and the music apps, and here select Apple Music, click X on your controller, and then tap to download, also with X on your controller. And now you just have to wait for a few seconds until the download will be finished. As you can see, it was added to the queue. In the right upper corner you can find this notification, and now you can find the downloading process on your screen. So when you click on it with the X, you can pause or keep downloading, and after a few seconds, when the download will be finished, we can actually click X one more time and open this Apple Music application. There we go. So click start. Okay, right now we can click to start listening. From here we have to go with the R1 button on the controller into the settings gear icon. Go into the account, tap to sign in. Okay, so now we have to set to link account. And we've got two methods. The first one we can enter for this website, that is right here on our mobile device, computer, or simply scan this QR code with our mobile phone and then enter this code. But also we can log in with the browser, so we can decide. In my case, I'm going to use this first method, so I have to grab my phone like this. That's the Android phone, and I have to open this notification panel and open the QR code reader. Now, as you can see, wait a minute, one more time. Just scan the code and open it in the browser. Now just wait for the loading screen. From here you have to input your email ID, email or Apple ID. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then scroll and tap to continue. Now input your password. So let me do this out of the camera. And then to confirm, click on this arrow. Okay, so as you can see, to connect this Apple Music into the PlayStation, we have to get the premium subscription. So with the PlayStation 5 Slim, we can actually get 6 months free. And after that, each month will be for 22 Polish zloty. It will be around $4. So click to redeem. Here you have to input your first name, surname, the card number. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me do this out of the camera. You have to input the security code into your card. And now from here, you have to also input your billing address. And then scroll and tap to subscribe. As you can see, everything is fine and it was accepted. So right now we got the request. So you have to click continue. So as you can see here, we have to successfully link our account. There's the notification that comes on our PS. And now just click OK. We can try to go back from this one. I guess we have to close this Apple Music on the PlayStation 5 to get the latest information of our updated account. Yeah, click OK. And as you can see here, we got our account. So when I go to the manage subscription, it means that I'm actually connected right now. And now I can just use my Apple Music. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.